Hi everyone, this is a run through, just a quick flip through and finish off of my Christmas journal. Do's and don'ts. I've ended up with a bit of a monster, as you can see. I think I've never done one before, and I have to say I think next year I would probably put less pages in it, simply because I've got a few blank ones in here, well, quite a few blank ones, but it's huge. It measures across the opening 4¼ inches. I only put a 2-inch spine on it, and it's like, whoa. So just a quick flip through of the actual finished journal. On the front I've done all dilution stamps, just to sort of give me an index, I suppose, and also because I couldn't fit anything else on them. I did combine it with an Advent art journal course. So I've got 24 art journal prompts, if you like, and I've used the kids' Advent calendar pockets as, what do you call it? The doors on their Advent calendar for my pockets. That's it. It's been a long week. So these ones I've shown you before, so I'm just quickly going through. I'm not much for writing in books, so what I've done is, for me, it's photos. And this is, I've never done one of these before, but I have to say this has forced me to do take pictures, and it's been really, really good. It has been really good. I've got pictures in here that I wouldn't have thought of taken. Where I've got blank pages, because it is so dimensional, I've just tried to draw on them. Just add a bit of something. This, okay, yeah, all right, that didn't help. The prompt was white on white. I'm thinking, it's got to be done. So a lace collage. And I've got notes from the kids that I keep in here from my young ladies, as well as new stamps that I've had. So drawing around, and so this, actually, I have to say, this has been quite enjoyable. Cat in the Christmas tree. I have really enjoyed keeping this, and yeah, I think I would keep one next year as well. It's oh, that one was a bit oddball. It said, the prompt was, and breathe. So talking to my husband about it, Pink Floyd, breathe. Okay, so that's what we ended up with, Pink Floyd. But also, I think I wouldn't add like a picture of one of the cats. Like I've added a lot of backgrounds on paper, mixed media paper, which I then glued in. I don't think I would do that again. There's another one. I think I would have to bite the bullet and just draw on actually onto the paper. Yeah. But then I don't think, if I'm honest, that I would have filled this up if I hadn't have, done the art journaling. No, that is so true. What a beautiful world it would be if people had hearts like Jack Russell's. Definitely. Yeah, I have a few that I haven't done. So, and this has been brilliant in as much as making me take pictures. Can you tell I like Jack Russell's? And then when I came to 2 empty pages like that, it's like, yeah, do you know what? I'm just going to do something that makes me happy. So collaging. As you can see, there's about 5 of the journal prompts I didn't do myself. If I get a chance, I will go back and I will do them, but Christmas gets a bit hectic. It was things like this. We had a gift hamper from Uncle Keith. And I thought, well, I'm going to keep some of the nice bits out of it and put it on there. Yeah, like I say, I'm not a great one for writing, so I'm not. Oh, the works Christmas do. Every year, Ian and myself have our works foster carers anonymous. So when we go to the pub, they know us at the pub. They know we're carers, and whatever kids we take with us, they're brilliant. And yeah, they bring out the crackers and the silly hats and the jokes for us. So, oh, that was off Paris, bless her. Trial run of Black Forest cupcakes. They went down very well. That was a travel note journal swap I did with a lady called Jackie Chimes, a Christmas travel note, and that was an embellishment she put on the front, and I love that. So, yep, that made it into the journal. And then, grandchildren. So, I do have a few empty pages. One daughter. Grandad trying to work out what the grandkids are doing. How do you do that? I think they're all on the Xbox. Grandchild number 8. This is something I tried to do heat embossing and it didn't work. So no, wouldn't do that again. I need to stick that one in. And I found that, well, a glue stick, so for me I use Pritt stick. I was going to do something fancy and put a hole in and a clip, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to glue it in. This was on one of the daughter's presents, and she went, do you want it back? Oh, all right then. So, let's have it hanging off the page. Be a devil. Be a rebel. There we go. That's that one in. Paris's introduction to Monty Python. This was after Christmas lunch. Oh yeah. Mr. Creosote. If you've ever watched Mr. Creosote, you'll understand what I'm on about. So that's disbelief, and that's just like, no! It was quite amusing. Scarred for life, she reckons. Now, Christmas cards, I've only kept a few. 3, 4, I think. What I have done is I have found some quotes. So, 2020, stop waiting, stop sitting around, stop procrastinating. That's me. This is your time. Make it happen. Believe in yourself. Create some magic. Yeah. Sounds really good on paper. So, I am just, sorry, I'm off camera, but just putting on some glue. What am I? See, I love texture paste, but I'm not even going to be able to get this thing on the bookcase at this rate. I have a shelf behind me where I keep journals that I've swapped and journals I've made. I don't tend to use the journals I've made, actually. Another card. The journals that I've swapped. Now, this was an awkward card. So it was a heart shape. But I wanted to keep this one. And it's like, okay. So I have to admit, I've sliced the side off, and luckily enough it came with the bit that's written separately. Brilliant. So I'm thinking, good old washi tape. So let's give this a go, see how we get on. I do apologise for my cold as well. Gotta love kids. Right, let's try in that one. Yeah, I think next year I'm definitely going to do another one of these again. Oops. Okay, that's not going to work. I am definitely going to do one of these again, but I think less pages, and I will add pages to it. Okay, so if I cut that bit and that bit. So then, hopefully, I can open all pages. Yay! Yeah, I think I would definitely keep the extra pages, add extra pages, rather than have too many like I've got now. That's what I might do, I suppose, is go back and just put a bit of stenciling on them, which is non-dimensional. Oh, I always make a mess. How can you make a mess with a glue stick? But I do. I do. Okay, and we have another one there. Basically, I'm just trying to fill up empty pages now. But I wanted to put these on the back. I was thinking, so if I take out some of those, I wonder how much damage I'm going to do. Oops. Do you know what? I don't mind. Oops. That's got it. Okay. Let's note to oneself, next year don't put an envelope. Don't put envelopes in until you actually want to use them, I think is the answer to that. Yeah. Okay. Let's put some of this on. Trying ever so hard not to make a mess with it. Let's cover up the worst. And there we go. Oh my life, how big. My rather chunky Christmas journal. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this. I've had so much fun putting this together. Like I say, never done one before. I've learned some lessons, less pages, add more as you go along if you need them. Try not to make it work quite so dimensional, but I seem to have a problem with that. Right, that's it. Done, dusted for 2019. So I will speak to you all next decade, 2020. Have a great New Year's Eve and a brilliant New Year. And I'll speak to you all later. Bye.